Well, Sheldon, we're here with this wonderful California Contemporary. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 master suites, all on one level and on almost an acre.
And Kelly, this is not your Memphis Traditional. This is an exciting home, as you'll soon see. I'm Sheldon Rosengart, and this is Kelly Erb. We're with Marx-Bensdorf Realtors. Not only does this home have all the excitement that you really like to live in, we have a pool with a guest house that could be a teenage suite, an in-law suite, or possibly an Airbnb. Let's go take a look and find out why we're so excited about this property.
Don't miss this wonderfully stylish home in the heart of East Memphis. It will have people talking.
If you'd like to get more information or you'd like to see it, call or email either of us today. Thank you.